I'm just curious, is there anyone that just like falls asleep right away and you don't wake up until morning? If that's you, I just have a question. What's it like to be God's favorite? Really, I pee at least 15 times a night. Like, no, it's fine, I don't need sleep. Hi guys, I just sat down and was looking through the viewfinder and kind of realized the irony of what I'm wearing. I'm all Texased out here with my hat and my sweater, but the irony is that I'm actually gonna do a Dollar Tree haul and show you guys some Mardi Gras things. So I know I don't normally post a Dollar Tree haul on Tuesdays. I just did a little switcheroo because last minute I'm gonna do the craft room final piece, and then I'm probably going to take you guys like on a tour through all of my drawers and show you guys all of my Dollar Tree things. So that's going to be tomorrow. So if you haven't seen my craft room makeover video, I'll link it down below, but it wasn't complete. There was one piece of furniture I've been waiting for like over 5 months to be in stock at IKEA, and fingers crossed it's getting delivered today. So I just decided, you know, just to do this haul today since I already had it, and then I'll get everything set up tonight and then have it filmed for you guys tomorrow. So anyways, but today I have a fun haul because I want to show you guys some Mardi Gras things, and I'm probably going to do some like clips and show you guys how I'm going to decorate with these items. But also, while I just kind of grab these bags, I have 3. So let me just show you guys. Here's what we're working with today. And some of you probably know this, some of you don't. I know I'm getting a lot of new subscribers, but I was actually born in New Orleans, and my family actually lived there for I actually don't know how long, before we migrated to Dallas in the early 80s. And even when we migrated to Dallas, I remember, now my backstory is kind of long. I mean, I actually lived in Brazil for like 7 years, but I was born in New Orleans, blah, blah, blah. Long story short, I remember growing up here with my grandparents, and we celebrated Mardi Gras every year. Like, we did the cake, and I don't know why it just like fell off my own personal radar. So I realized, seeing all of this at Dollar Tree, that I just needed to bring it back in my life. It's just has the most nostalgic, fun, beautiful memories for me. So yeah, anyways, let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing that I got are some sheet protectors. I got these because I've been wanting to do a binder with like all of my instruction manuals, like things from coffee makers, vacuum cleaners, those kinds of things. So I just picked up, one set of these, and you get 16 sheet protectors in here. They're not like the best sheet protectors, but they're not bad either. So I always usually pick them up from Dollar Tree. If I pick them up anywhere else, it's probably Hobby Lobby, and it's just for like the thicker quality for other projects, I guess you could say. So I picked that up, and then I found something brand new. This is really awesome. This is Adhesive Tub Treads. So essentially, it's just like a non-slip thing for your tub. Yeah, isn't that awesome? I do not believe this is a Dollar Tree brand, so this is that item where you might want to grab it now in case you feel like you could use it. But you get 5 extra large strips in here as well. So notice that was new. Another new item is a pencil cup. I recently just showed one in yesterday's haul. If you missed it, I'll link it down below. It was huge. There were some brand new Dollar Tree brand pencil cups, and they actually swiveled. This one I don't think is Dollar Tree, which is interesting because this marks, I think, the first time a non-Dollar Tree brand of a pencil cup has ever showed up. So here's what it looks like. I don't know the brand. If you do, comment down below. So there's that. And then I did not expect for this to happen either, but the 2022 Happy Planner dupe at Dollar Tree is out. It probably has been out at your stores for a while. It just showed up to mine, and I got all of the goodies. So I'm gonna include a clip of me just kind of showing it all in one, but let me just show you guys each item individually. So you get the cover and you get the discs too, by the way. So for $1.25, that's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's customizable planner. So there's that option. And then we have this cute little set here with the confetti. Am I talking too loud? I don't know, I feel like maybe. Loki's over here snoring, so if you hear that, that's what that is. Then they also are providing stencils, which this I think is the first time I've ever seen them give us stencils. And this is really awesome because they're the perfect size for this planner, which is probably like an A5 size. And they're just like, I know it's hard to see through the packaging, but these are just awesome. I can't believe they thought of to do stencils. And then of course, we have to have the inserts, right? So they're giving us the weekly inserts. Y'all, this is a dupe to the Happy Planner. Like, can we talk about how insane that is that we're getting this at Dollar Tree? And then here is the month at a glance inserts. So, very exciting. And then of course, all of the little goodies as well. So we're getting some dividers. So here's this set. Again, I'm gonna do a flip through in a minute of everything. Here's this set. There's a bunch of dividers in there. And then this looks like, wow, more planner covers. That's really awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna open all of this up in a second. And then some stickers. I wanna point out that you see how they have them pre-punched, so they're gonna fit into that planner specifically. And it's also the same exact punch out as the Happy Planner. And then here are planner patches. Is that like to put on the covers? So there's that. And then they also sell additional discs. I'm kind of curious about this one. It's like a mini version. I don't think it will fit this planner. This is the size that I think works with it. So I don't know if there's like another size option. If you know, comment down below. But now I'm gonna insert the clip of all of this kind of put together. Do a little flip through, show you guys what it looks like. But it is so absolutely adorable. And yeah, hopefully if you're on the hunt for this, that you find it at your stores. I also found a new garden tool here, and this is a garden tool hanger, which I think is the first time I've ever seen this at Dollar Tree. How awesome is it? It looks like pretty good quality too. So, and then you can see in the picture that you would just like attach your brooms or your rakes. Then I picked up this foil sheet. I've picked this up before, but this one I got specifically for my craft room. I'm gonna be getting into journaling, and I wanted to also work with staining pages with like coffee or tea. So I would like essentially pour the coffee in here and then the page like that. And then some new party supplies that I thought were just, I had to show them in today's video. 5 crowns in each package. I'm not holding that up right. There's silver set and a gold set. This is brand new, at least to my stores, but you get 5 crowns in here. Like, how cute is that? Yeah, and then I also saw these massive bags of confetti. Now, Dollar Tree has done these confetti bags before, but I feel like the size and the quantity of the confetti is kind of what's new. So I found a silver set, a gold set, and then the multicolor set as well. Like, what? Can we talk about this? Now, what the hell's going on here? You know what I mean? What's going on here? All right, now let's get into the adorable Mardi Gras things. I think it's happening March 1st. I don't know, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's March 1st. And this is brand new. And let me tell you, immediately, I think this in the center of a wreath is going to be gorgeous. But you can see here there's a slit right there, and it goes like that. So if you just wanted it like table decor, you're gonna throw a little party, this is gonna be really, really cute. And run to get this one because my mouth dropped. I'm living for the fact that it says New Orleans. Let's see, a sash, which I thought was really cute. So if you're actually going to Mardi Gras, you know, you want to get all dressed up, they have a sash. Oh, look at that. What? So cute. And of course you can craft with this as well. Wreath. I don't know why I always think wreath. As a matter of fact, the decorating part that's gonna follow is gonna be like my entryway wreath. Then they also had these plastic cups, but because they're stacked, you know, it's kind of hard to see. But I feel like this might be the first time Dollar Tree has been focusing on dinnerware for Mardi Gras. This one is not marked Mardi Gras. It's the party section. You can see the label here, just like the scoops. But I saw it with the little confetti, and I was like, that's so cute. You could make little Jell-O shots. You could even do like mini cheesecake desserts. Oh, here's another sign, actually. And this sign is another must pick up in my opinion. There's a lot of loose glitter here, but look how cute this is. I know they're all kind of the crown, the fleur-de-lis, and then of course the mask. But that is such a pretty sign. Then the other day I was just thinking about my childhood, and I was just like, man, we did the crawfish broil all the time. Like, I remember my grandfather, I'm gonna have to ask my uncle this, but I think my grandfather would order like crabs or lobster or something straight from New Orleans. Like, we would do this once a year, and we would have like a whole feast. So anyways, then I picked up a bunch of beads, like a bunch. And they are so cute. I can't believe the variety that Dollar Tree gives us with this. So here's this set. And in this one you get 6-piece. You see the classic colors, and I think they're dice. This one is probably my favorite. This is a 3-piece set, but you get the saxophone. What? These, which have the little masks on them, which are really cute. You can see it also has the Mardi Gras label, but they're just like plain beads. Definitely check out the party section as well under the party section label, and you'll find more beads that you could probably just get that are purple, green, yellow, so keep that in mind. And then here's these with like the coins, which are so cute. And then here's this one, which is just kind of random, but how fun. Which is very pretty. There are all the crowns, which is like a signature icon. Here are the masks, but you get a 2-piece. There's no gold in this option, but look how cute that is. Wow. Oh my god, I love this little set. And you could definitely craft with these as well if you want to do something more along the lines of like you're into crafting, friend mail, pocket letters, you make little shaker cards. You could definitely deconstruct all of this and use it in that way. You could even deconstruct little masks, turn them into paper clips, and do yourself a little Mardi Gras spread. And then I picked up 2 of these with the crowns. And Dollar Tree doesn't stop there. They also have feather boas. They have really fun little hats and things, and then of course some crowns. I got 2 of these. Again, you can see that label, straight up the Mardi Gras. So eventually Mardi Gras won't be, you know, a section at Dollar Tree once it's over. Actually, I don't know. Do they keep it up year long? It just kind of maybe depends on the store, but these are really cute. You could definitely craft with it as well and like put it in a wreath or whatever. And then I had to go ham on all of the masks because they're just stunning. Like, I honestly can't believe it. So here's this one, and I did get 2 of these. Love them. Little feather. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna decorate with these. I'm not gonna actually wear them. And then here is the green, which is stunning. And I did get 2 of the green as well. And they had a lot to choose from, you guys. A lot of masks. I probably didn't even get half of what was available. Here's a blue one, which is very pretty. And again, maybe if you're gonna do some type of like masquerade or something like this, but maybe like later on in the year, you might want to consider grabbing these now before they're not there. And then they have these options as well, like a lace look to them. They also have it like in a black, but this was what I picked up. Yeah, I just wasn't sure like which direction I kind of like wanted to go in. I think I'm going to be using more of the greens, but let's go ahead and get into that. That's going to be it for today's haul. So now we're going to switch over to my entryway, kind of show you guys how I'm going to style some of these things. And that's going to be it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved today's video, and I'll see you tomorrow.